Changing your password on Deliveroo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password securely. Step 1. Open the Deliveroo app or website. Launch the Deliveroo app on your mobile device or visit the Deliveroo website on your computer. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your current login credentials to access your account. If you are already logged in, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. Look for the Account Settings option, usually found in the menu or Profile section. Click on it to access your account details. Step 4. Select Password Change option. Find the option that allows you to change your password. This may be labeled as Change Password or Password Settings. Step 5. Enter new password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password and then your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements and confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your password will be updated. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for added security.